So my people, I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. So that today that's somewhat of a holiday, my people. So happy Mother's Day to all of the mothers them out there. See, so me I go on our next quick one again today, my people. So that quick one here are with Annie, cause it look like say Annie gone back to the man. This time Annie a ball say the man are wicked. Next time she love him. You know what I mean? The people them say Annie can ball for Jamaica, my people. So here we go on. We are getting that we also have Rochelle with a little update on our in-laws them and a bunch of things. We don't know what go on with Rochelle, see? Because one of the times I think she did on live with cousin or something. So we are gonna get in that to me people. We also have Shibada beat Annie and some people. We have a couple things to share. Anything me not mention, you know what I mean? We're gonna see it in the video. So here we go on, my people. We are gonna get into it, you know. Make we kick it off.
If a man you want to kill you, then mama, you couldn't lose your life right there, so yesterday. And that they look on, you know. I trade don't even know. Every woman must feel that. Not even a woman and man must feel that. You're stranded somewhere where you don't know, you're not a friend there, so you know. Go away. Anything could have happened to you, oh. But dry your tears. One good thing me have to tell you as a woman, me a woman to a woman. Look to God, mama. Try and draw close to God. You understand? Sometimes God will put you in some situation for you looking at yourself. Because we are seek comfort and we are seek
love. I don't regret nothing about it. I don't regret nothing. I don't regret. I don't regret seeing him. I don't regret going on a date with him. I don't regret lying down with him. What I regret is the disrespect. That is what I regret. I regret the disrespect. Him don't have any manners. He don't have no manners. Him disrespectful. He don't know to talk to people. I want to time
him not ready
and I don't make nobody know. Right?
Not ready for this yet. You know,
at the end of the day, me feel embarrassed. They know I said, yes, I got you, but I always tell people about you.
Shani,
right? Let me block that person, yeah. Right? And if I do it, me not block you. Just jump up in my comment section.
No matter
at the end of the day, I was so fucking embarrassed and shame when you see how this fucking man put up my things them. If he did not do that, would have take my things them and got me yard calmly and nobody no look on that. But everybody know I go start talk about dirty Annie, this Annie, that the Annie, Ray, Annie. You understand? And nobody's understand when a man disrespect a woman, they will just stay disrespect and take it. It's alright, bro. Thank you. May I take up my auntie?
Alright.
May I take up auntie? Take up auntie. Well, auntie, auntie, are you may I try to take up? Me not see your request. Send me back your request. Send me back it. Auntie, me want auntie send me back your request. Tell her to send me back. Me not see her. Me don't see her. Wait there. Guys, enough to show me the request. Me I try to charge your phone. Me say me can meet with Jayden and go about my business. Me look find somewhere nice, go today and go relax. Auntie, me see you in a chat here. Me see you. Thank you, baby. Me feel away, girl. Me feel away. Me a fucking human being. And the first to break through me get, I hit everybody a fight me down. You understand? When she takes him already, every fucking body a fight me down. Right? Me can't understand. It's like everybody turned down fucking palm me. Every fucking body turned down palm me literally, bro. You don't know how it fucking feel. And the end of the day, woman is so freaking you bias your fudge. I swear to God, it's such a bias place. This look here, let me say for this drunk cry. I don't know this dirty drunk cry do. Every time I click my live, you find my live. I don't know, oh, you always find me and me not find you, you know. Me not find you, I not dep on your live. You always dep on my freaking live. always they on my life stalk me. Well, Auntie, alright, let me take fear request, but fear request gone. When a woman really feel good for when a man throw out to a woman. When feel good in our self, right? And because me dey on the media, all of una come off of me. Right? Everybody me I go add you. Me I go add you after this. What you say, miss?
Me not like to see her cry. That the enemy they want to see.
Man, it's that, bro, me just can't deal with them people.
Understand how you feel.
Can't deal with them people, they up in my DM, everything. You don't come like say the man a woman itself. You understand me? You don't come like say the man a woman. You understand me? I say, because me name Annie. And that's the reason why them deal with me, them type of way that you know me got through yesterday. Me got through hell yesterday. And
like
nobody.
To cry. To that Mother's Day, be strong.
Me I find something.
Understand how you feel. Me know you fight this. Me know you fight.
Me I find somewhere. Me I come out that freaking yard. Me I find
somewhere go. Guy River, Guy Beach. Find somewhere go. Me not like to see her cry.
No, Jayden say I come. I think Jayden I come, so we're supposed to meet up with him.
Just be strong. We all here for you. Yo, wicked people there both, you know?
And people are just
like to see people
I just hate it.
So as me say my people, I want quick and fast one me a drop. So it look like say the Lion Man are officially part of the family people. So the Lion Man are gonna link him extended family. Or you can call it that. Annie and the rest. Seeing and people see the Lion Man, that youth there, him definitely are gonna be something. You know what I mean? Him already has he's already something. You see me I say, but him are gonna maintain himself for a good while. As long as TikTok around, him are gonna maintain himself and go on with himself. You see it? Yeah man. Cause him have the skill. And everybody have the talent. And everybody have the skill when it comes to social media. Him have the talent. You know what I mean? And me have to big him up on that. So as we say, I want a quick one, so we are going to watch some more.
Tell you I don't hate bad mind and wicked. Because if a person diss me, me not disrespect them back. You tell me say me take it like me, I want to look at you idiot.
No.
I don't feel no way about it yesterday. Well, I know yesterday when the girl them come in an argument with me in a film community. Right? They could have fucking fucked me up. They could have messed me up in that community. They by myself did it so. And nobody never care. You understand?
Wicked people there. But for them time I come.
Me can't block them from my comment. Look here. Then they put me comment, me have to block them. If me give moderator my comment section, my moderator them block me gifters them. Me connect them, me not know what to do. If me come out here and me dep on live, them block you all of me gifters. Me have one big gifter. When me take a start, them contact me and tell me say me #1 gifters, them block her. My one moderator. My one fucking moderator, them over here so block off all of me gifters them. So them say, oh God man, after them eat me pandagram, yeah? You understand me?
That's what can I make your kids and be moderator?
Cause my one daughter, my other daughter, me don't put her out here because them a fight against it. So my younger daughter, she get a lot of effect by this. So me don't put my younger daughter past certain things. My other daughter, she will dip on the phone and do her thing. She will do it with me and help me, but not all the while.
Okay.
This a person in the comment section and stalk me. Anytime them come, they make call 100 account for the day. 100 account for the day. And for the day, the person I want to see her stalk me 24/7. Me I tell her this person fucking stalk me. Fuck. That's how when they dip on media, they really and truly take a set on people. Eh? And if I tell you about your mother this morning, how would you feel? And I won't do that. I won't do that to you. I swear. I won't do that. Wait, personally, you want me to take you down? Yeah, because personally, they're up here, so.
Yes, you can take me down now, but just be strong, Annie. We just not like to see her.
Yeah, sorry. Let me get some clothes and going. No business don't not all care. Me telling you something, man. You see all of uno where come down for me. You all of uno where stack me. You see all of uno where take a step for me. Remember me tell you, uno go for no time I come here. Remember me telling you that here. I mean not take no disrespect for nobody. I don't care what uno want to say. I could a love story or lovey-dovey. Me not do it for uno. Me not do it for none of uno. Auntie. Let me talk to Auntie.
Hi, baby.
Hey.
You know the two of you guys make me cry yesterday? I'm so disappointed, but I want you to inbox me. I don't do the I just want you to be calm. Can I talk to you today on the phone, Annie, please?
Mother like that. Mother really like that because my brain's just all over.
Okay, listen to me. Please. I'm 72 years old and I'm not here to take sides. I want to talk to you and later on I'm going to talk to Kevin. You guys don't know how much I love you guys. You don't even know what the plans I have because I love to see love. You understand? And you took the bait, Annie. You took the bait.
What bait?
Talk to me. We're not going to go on live with it.
What bait?
Because I'm not that.
Which bait?
You understand? I am suffering.
Tell me bait where you think me take. Tell me.
Okay. I'm going to tell you, but hear this. I don't want nobody bashing me because I'm not, I'm not a Jamaican.
Auntie, talk to me. Talk to me. Look at me. Talk to me.
I am looking at you.
Talk to me.
I don't know you from a can of paint, but you don't even know the love I have for you. You understand? Yeah. And then I went through, because I love you so much, I went through all your videos, every last one.
Yeah.
And I say you come from far, Annie.
Yeah.
And listen, you don't know the amount of people behind you. Miss Annie.
Yeah.
Listen to me. I was just yesterday. Listen to me. You gotta fight. You gotta fight. You know the bait you took? That picture. Let me. Don't say another word. I'm gonna give you.
I'm listening.
Listen to me. Listen to me calmly.
Yeah.
I got involved 2004. This will tell you how far I go, right?
Yeah.
Hey, I fall in love with a guy. We got married in 1 week. 1 week, and it lasted 16 years. But it wasn't easy. You know the fight again?
Yeah.
Because we were 20 years apart. I'm old. My vagina have gray hair. They never been up under me,
Yeah.
Everybody bashed me. He had like 7 different baby mothers. And you know what he said to me? He said, I chose you. And the more they fight me, the more I love him. I wish I had your phone number. Okay? I wish I had your phone number. I'm not talking for no.
As me say my people, something quick and fast me I go now. So me have this thing here where me live by, where me no go get a yard scene unless we lock in for a minute. Right? We get to know her first and we kind of have something where it looks serious. So, you know what I mean? Although it looks serious still, we have to wait till maybe baby I go born or baby in a belly and then something there. Then we can take that step there. Because you don't know who you can buck up and in her place. She can tell us that she and her ex done with and him no want to see her with the next man. And right away, you know what I mean? You go into the community and get mashed up. Get to know people first before you get too far with them. Seeing with Annie and Annie and TikTok, you there, you know what I mean? Them didn't move too fast for people, right? Them don't get to know each other in a way first. The first date, it look like see alright, that's how choppings go on and you know what I mean, love start in a ear and you know what I mean, them start locking with each other and you see me, everything move fast and she end up in a place. So just like how the man them not for rush going in a woman place, the same way the woman them not for rush going in a man place, cause you can get hurt same way, not because they are female. So as we say people, I want quick one me I go there so we can watch some more.
Nobody else. I'm talking for me, Elma Henry. I'm still married. I still love him. But after all the years, I realized he wasn't there for me. Things I want to do, he wasn't helping me. And I just had to put a stop to it. But because guess what? It was a long distance relationship because I was not moving to Antigua. I'm not gonna leave New York to go to live in Antigua. But I was preparing for both of us. You understand? And he didn't see it.
Yeah.
So guess what happened? He went back home to Antigua and then he get corrupted.
Yeah.
And I run Antigua behind him.
Yeah.
And I fix him up. And I fix up the house. And we get together. Then he went astray. I come back and I went again. And it's 4 years now that we broke up. You understand?
Yeah.
And since they broken up, he had 2 daughters that died in the 4-year span. Yeah. And it hurt me because his kids were my kids. And he reached out to me. And guess what? I helped him. And I feel good about it. Annie, you and that guy, it made me want to love again. It made me want to get back into, as much as I'm 72 years old, you know that among the guys behind me? But because it call like an investment, right?
Yeah.
And I said, bad investment. So now I'm going to love me.
Yeah.
Because when I love strong.
Yeah, me too. Me too.
I see it. I see it. I know you're hurting. Whatever he did, I know he made, because remember too, he's kind of young, but he love you. You know what lift me on my foot? That dinner, that Kevin day. And I can't believe what I see happening. And then the people coming on there, and instead of they try to uplift you, they're going back in the past. He shouldn't have do this and he shouldn't have do that. You don't know what goes on in people's head. You jump and you went to yes, because the spur of the moment. You hear the word? The spur of the moment. And you took the bait. The main thing is that man came home to you. You could have lived in a shithole.
No, it no matter about where
listen to me, Annie. I'm not finished.
Yes.
You took the bait. Because the people see love. You see, from the time you started the marriage thing, and it had more to come, you know. But you give people what they want. You give people what they want. You're so loving. And I'm like, Jesus Christ. And I'm telling you, I am here alone in a big, beautiful apartment. Guys after me. And I'm like, shit, I can be loved again too. You see? Don't tell me to stop. Don't tell me to stop. Go get a freaking life. You all don't like love. You all don't like to see people love. You keep bringing down. People bring down Annie. They bring down, what's his name? TikTok police. Stop bringing down. Encourage. Love. Positivity. Now tell me stop.
I just want to say something. Honestly, this can't pass me head. So Auntie, so I'm saying to you, right?
Yes, baby love. I'm listening.
You love a person, right?
Yes.
And a person throw you out of them house. How would you angle that? Tell me.
Okay. There's 2 types of story. Because when I finish now, I tell Kevin I want to talk to him. Because it's 2 sides to a story. And like I said, I'm not going to discuss this because I could get I'm not a Jamaican, but I could get nasty. And today is Mother's Day. Annie, Friday, they're checking to see if I have cancer.
Oh my God. Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
You see how much I support you guys?
Yes. A lot. Me know you're supposed to. That's the reason you see me say me take up Auntie, because I know you're from Fame side. I know you support him and he love you, so me end up love you as well.
Yes. And I'm not gonna stop supporting. Please, no more. Annie, please, no more bashing. Let God put it to the foot of the cross.
It just
I
hurt.
feel bad. He put you on, but listen,
far.
I'm gonna find out. I got to get to the bottom of this because to me, I don't see that type of person in him. And then he said he went home and he was gonna put the stuff back in, but guess what happened? It was too much bashing and this side talking and that side talking.
But
And the little boy head was
listen
confused.
to me. That's the thing. Me understand, but Auntie, you feel listen. Me a human being. When it started, we never did not talk to him. It was the people on the live that talked to me.
Exactly,
I didn't take it up and tell me if I come out of the house in front of everybody.
But this is what I'm saying. This is what I'm saying. But where it leads from? Where did it lead from, Annie? Listen, I'm not gonna take in the middle, you know, because I'm not going to the end. It leads from something, someplace. Let me tell you. After a while, I realized my husband had bipolar disorder. Cause listen, when I tell you the boy picked me up off my foot and you hear about cloud 9, I was on cloud 12. You see how you treat Kevin? That's how that guy was treating me. And nobody could tell me nothing. My kids, nobody, they had to go along with my program because the more they tried to put us apart, the more I love. And then I searched and I went through the family history. And his mother had bipolar. And then he get it because anything, he would jump, he would look to fight. And I am a fighter. You know what I do? I stay calm. I stay calm. But you see, because of the social media, whatever they pump in his head, he just react. Whatever they pump in your head, he just react. And I'm going to get on him with this too. Trust me. So don't think I'm going to talk to you because I already sent a message to him. And I tell him I want his number. I'm not going on live. But due to the fact you want me to talk to you, and I already prepared. When you talk about marriage, I'm like, damn. I'm supposed to start this career and I'm going to be at 3 months probation. And I was coming to your wedding. Because Kevin went through a lot with the other person and you show him a lot of love. And I don't think he gravitated to it yet, you know, he was just gravitating to it. He's like, I never had this yet and I never had that yet. But you see, company and the social media company stuff, you all wasn't ready for this with the social media. You see? Because even the thing with your money, I follow everything, you know, Annie.
Yeah.
Look what your best friend do to you. And you love her.
Yeah, for true.
Yes.
As Mr. People, we are running through that one here, so we are going to move on to the next one, my people. Tell me what you think in the comment section. And me telling you, say, yo, this happened too fast. Them rush the relationship, yeah. It reach far, fast, and them are deal with the repercussions of the mistakes them what they make. No matter who the person is, my people. Sometimes you meet a person and you just click right away and the relationship just nice and happy, you know, and it work out for the good, you know. But for the most part, the people, we have to take time when we meet people. Take time to get to know people. You understand? Take time to get to know people. And not just rush God and place up. You know what I mean? Let me know anything.
It's your item. Then Annie, all along in on the internet and post with the body and one like you're with the man. You never tell us as a shopkeeper you're there with. You didn't get me say I could just swear police drive tractor.
Mama! Honest!
You have to go call older than that, yeah.
That number one. Honest! Dragon!
When me I tell Rosealee Mother's Day for Rosealee a mother, and Jakes for tell her, Jakes not even see Rosealee as a mother. You know, she said Jakes not even send Rosealee go do a nails from yesterday.
More rice!
More. Jakes a kill Rosealee slowly, you know. I wanna think I'm joking, you know.
Today she a get more rice.
Today she get rice with all peas.
Yup.
Then you can imagine how fair plate of favor Mount Everest. And a spoon she are using, you gotta think a construction site when she start.
Today Mother's Day she can probably use one shovel.
So that, you have to think a construction site.
No, the spoon on a regular day.
So you see, I see them on the internet that talk about this at Jakes don't see as a mother. The boy not happy same breed, yo.
You know color mine? Color mines.
Yeah, I'm a queenie. I'm a queenie. Everybody out there. I'm a queenie. Nobody pan the app no more than me. We need a queenie, so I give myself. Then what tell me a blame them run queenie app?
Yeah man, don't stand upstairs. Delete me. You got me number, I don't know what.
I must tell Jesus I'm That baby I got turn Christian as me start sing the gospel of the baby cake. I must tell Jesus. That belly make me feel like me is a Mary. That belly make me feel like me a Mary. As me start sing the gospel song, the belly just a kick so. Yeah man. Like them always like gospel. It's a preacher. This is a prophet. I know I feel special. Yeah. She be a oofa panty that.
Yeah man.
Hey, big one. Me no wear drawers in my one. Me no wear drawers. We me do people things for my head, bitch. Eh? We me do people things for my head. Bunny bread. Right. Yeah. Mary Magdalene, no. No Mary Magdalene, you right here? Me a Mary Magdalene too. Yeah. You know, see me a Mary Magdalene first. Happy Mother's Day, Auntie. Tongues. Wait, oh, the belly gets so big. Look here, let me tell you something. I don't want nobody come and watch my stomach because sometimes when someone hear your mouth, they pan people belly, they pick me come out flux day. I mean, I don't want nobody really watch my tum-tum. Yeah. But I never know, say me that bring it. But I never know, say me that look good with my pregnancy. Nothing I never know, say me that come out with my baby. One thing I can't say, I mash up. One thing I can't say, me mash up. Mash the fit me and baby. I know the peacekeeper. Woo! Yeah, that baby ain't stop me from the nothing, you know. My grind same way. Same hurt the way, but when I take different man from the belly, it hurt me. Yeah, like the baby no mix and mingle with dirty bungle. Yeah. My festival like Christmas. I'm a belly not na daddy. Oh, you work out the festivity. Me a pen cemetery now, miss it later. You know, so when I always a curse people picnic. Oh no. Oh no. Only is a set of people on the app, dirty people. Always a combo girl picnic. Always. Give me the baby, then what wrong with your wall? Then I say you walk on and collect things. When I always on the upper cost girl picnic. Me never cost girl picnic yet. Always big up girl picnic, bad to bird, bad to bird, bad to bird. This one gone name Ufa. Shalik, what you mean? Z baby, what you mean that one name Ufa? You think I see I got breed me? I'm so come out for the life because I'm very disrespectful. When you see me, I got through a lot already and I still apply pressure. I will say the future pope. The Queenie, you're all over. It's sweet me. It's sweet me. Oh, blame them run Queenie. It's sweet me. Then come here again. I'm not to want to not curse my me, you know.
As we say, people, I want a quick one, right? But watch out with people, and that's why I'm telling you, say, it's not good for care people go your yard, right? As you meet them and they get to know first, you know. You see me? Because remember, you know, them only link up, them do them thing, and them have a little thing I go on. See? But here I go on. them jump the guns. Them no take it easy, take it slow. Them rushing at everything. Now this a man a carry the woman guy in the yard and look how she a bring him down about the place which part him live. See? Look how she a bring him down. The man care, she a bring down the place where the man live. Come on, that's why I tell the people, no rush into things. All when you don't feel the butterfly and want to run a person. No rush, sir. Just make everything just slowly, you know what I mean, gradually happen and unfold, and you know what I mean, take on the time.
You see when you come out, you must turn Prime Minister and rob the country. You have to rob the country. Yeah, man. Me go ensure say you're bright. If you're not bright, you're smart. Me not ask you. Me not know who breed me really. I don't know who is your father, so I give it to everybody. Whoever come in me. You understand me? Just give it to them. So you have a little bit of him, a little bit of him, a little bit of. You're out of many one people. You have to prosper. You gotta prosper. I say future. I say destiny. Not the one who favor donkey. Yeah. That's gonna be your aunt. Yeah, Sister Winnie, morning. Morning, Sister Winnie. Is the next Wilbert. I pay a young father, I take. So this not gonna be no Willie. No will not go birthdays. No raffle either. It just have many last name. Many last names. Some team last name are gonna be like the alphabet because I can't spell it out. I just have to put the first letters of the last name, the first letter of the surname. So if his name Williams, him double O. And if me remember say, me take a brown B. And if me didn't know say me take a Xavier with a last name X. Yeah. So only for different letters. So him last name should name alphabet. Him last name should name alphabet. Yeah. Give me the name and make me sell it to like the rest of where you want to like the rest where you sell. Shay, move Shay. Everybody knows that you not sell, you run. You run left. Everybody know about like the rest of them where you sell. Shay, stop what you know me like on the internet? I don't like on the internet. On always that play big. Shay, you want to get money after you pick them. Everybody say Rosealee say you run. She never say you sell. She say you run. So how you get selling in a day? She stop going like you qualify. I don't like them people here. Stop going like you qualify. Me I prove a point. Me I prove a point. Just a point me I prove. Me not prove nothing else, just a point. Cause Isishe is a liar. Hello? Madam, I'm here to this. Alright, Destiny. I think I'm here to my call. Destiny, just a quick question. She ever sell no nappy to them yet? She ever make money off of no nappy to them yet? No show. You never shout never is, lad. The DD load. No, I'm just asking if she ever make money off of to them yet. She sell none? Alright. No say nothing more. At that part, they did one. No say nothing more. Alright, goody. Goody, what happened? Yeah, but your mouth now, you're not fix your mouth. Didi cost me. Yeah, Didi cost me at the top of the mouth. No, Shay, you see it, Didi say you never sell. You a girl not make money after you pick me, you run leave them. Yeah, Didi say you run left the bottom. That's why they not put you on no more really. Right, but me figure my belly make you sell. bride. Then come here now. And we not talk about that part here. Then what up we Anna class Annie. What me say? Yeah, when the first saw my class, my mother all in my nightmare. Me just a wonder. So when I hear the voice note, when I hear the voice note, yeah man, she a coming on, she a come. Me a look good little bit man. Me a look good little bit. Latifula, you never get the voice note? I think our audience play the voice note. Me say Anna class Annie. Anna class our mama. Yes, see there? She say audience play. Anna class our mother. I don't know where the voice note there. I don't know where it there. And Martin, we can't find but the voice note with audience play.
People, as me say, our quick and fast thing we are dealing with. So, what me want to say? Why, me just ask a question, see? Like, why we are idle youth them and I protect we youth them from certain things? Eh? Why? Yo, people, you see now at the time to open your youth to everything out there. From once they reach an understanding age, yeah, open them eyes, make them know about everything out there. Because you know what? The internet I go teach them. Yes, them are going to see it on the internet. As much as we are telling people, I say, yo, be a role model, no one I say, no one I do. You know what, we can't do it that way, them people. We have to go change our parenting, you know, and just teach the youth them about all them things that them are going to hear on social media. You understand? Yeah. Just teach them about it so that them not get influence and sway in the direction to follow them people. Yeah. Make watch some more, my people.
Anna just a class Annie. Anna curse? Anna no curse, don't say that. You know what happened? I see some comment under the video with Jayden and Annie daughter. And the people must say, what persons fail to realize is that the child is 17, she is of age. Huh? Martin is you send me. But I didn't send that. Oh yeah, back out to the information department, you know, Martin. This is what threatened me over the net, tell me. Yeah. Me hear some people that say she is of age. But even though she is of age, right, and she can forge her own path, where is your... I'm in fear. Martin, why you not tidy? So, oh, I forgot to say me in a chat. Hey boy, you know just rub me out drunk, bro. I forgot to say me and Martin in a chat, you know. It slipped me. Yeah, back to the matter and no people. Yeah. Even, but look here. Anna did come talk, say Annie give them man. Anna did come talk, say Annie give them man. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't care how much someone on the big suck cocky lick out, but drink come nyam shit, leave teeth mark in a dodo. I don't care how you want to talk. Let me tell you this. Appear carelessness depend the app. Number one, Annie is not a mother. Annie want shot with shit. Annie want shot with shit. You see? The hear a man talking about Annie. And when the man class Annie, the man is right. How can all the people in the comment section sit down and rail for them something here? And then you want to walk and go on like say on a decent. Yes, right for people business. You know, you have your daughter You see your daughter go over to Jayden. Why your daughter have to visit Jayden as Jayden sponsor you? And then you come Jayden, my show go on, I pay a show go on, not no real upon the net. And he's a big careless dirty girl. Big kid, more somebody beat Annie at town. Beat her. More somebody beat Annie at town. Beat her. It's true, Latibo. Exact match up playing Amiga like Crry. Not real. You see the effort for them careless mama you put out in a carelessness. The effort for them careless mama you put out in a carelessness is true. Yeah. And then you know I make this an episode now. Like Jayden did. So Jayden should have pushed him out in your daughter mouth pan live. Him should have ram out your daughter throat pan live with him alien looking body. You think a joke? You see how funny life is? 2 minutes ago to crash Jayden for making a video, even if she had 12, and him a blind him eye, even if she had 12, and him shut him eye, the whole I wanna say take him down. All I wanna say take down Jayden. I remember this, you see God now sleep. And my children, my people perish because of lack of knowledge. You come here fix good, nobody kick no more or sleep. Cause me know when you drop out, I remember my bone big. Yeah. But Edward I go to bus and me not even something. Just the other day, Jayden come out. Who remember that video? You start show quickie. Chrissy, you don't know me. Chrissy, you don't know me. You don't know me, you come and talk about my start show. Chrissy, me not take your brother. And then brother me a take, so when him come in and me can tell you, say, Chrissy, look out for anything. What you mean me start show quick? You don't know from when me I breathe. You don't know from when me I breathe, girl. Now wash your mouth on my belly. Don't wash your mouth on my tum-tum. You're the godmother, you broke. Lady not even have no morals. Me and you can't depend on the same path and you want to govern my child. I see destruction coming. Yeah, I remember time Jayden and the whole of the one crash him. And you know what I'm seeing today? Guess what me I say? Me I say Anya give up her daughter for foolishness with the same individual, Jayden, with the whole of the crash, and everybody found it it's entertaining for Jayden. I will have to help Jayden celebrate, and they will help Jayden celebrate because when you couldn't get a morning and you see it at evening, grab it. Yeah, the only thing I'm sorry said Jayden never do is push him put in an daughter mode pan live. That alien looking cocky. When you must not know say 3 years, 2 years after this, 5 years, and you're not picking them and nothing, no respect when them really realize and want love. When them want a sturdy relationship. Say Anna there, the same way police put out Annie as same so Anna baby father put her out. A chain of command, them a destruction. Chain of command. You see, it doesn't matter if it's a prank or it is real. Most wanted. It doesn't matter. So when everybody ever swing and say a joke, send your daughter in a prank like that. Send your child in a prank like that and give the internet some joke off at your expense. What kind of example I say? That's why every time the little girl them, you see them leave school or them in a school and them a grind on a school bag. I went taxi man and them a grind a doctor, a bus driver. We can't say anything. When you see the 14 and the 12 and the 9-year-old get pregnant, we really can't say anything. A lot of females today would have jump up and cuss a man and say a man this and a man that. A lot of females would have get up today, if today was Father's Day, and say them, nah, me not say my opinion with him, not me not this and me not celebrate him. You understand me? Not realizing that the same way the man make one feel as so make the man feel. Wanna careless. On the careless, and they come like say she make up last name for her picnic name because she don't know who breed her. It doesn't matter. One of your daughter, your biggest daughter, I assume, is a destruction on the internet, and you're really auditioning your next daughter to be the same destruction on the internet. If this are not blind, me don't know what is blind. If this is not blind, I don't know what is bad sight. It's like this, and you say, go on Punjab experience. And when you leave school now, or you decide you can't take up that work here, you really give up your daughter to be a puppy show on the internet. Children live what them learn, that the children now learn nothing nowadays, them just...
As we say, people around, we are run through them, you see me? Because we have to go to the update them. So, she wanted to say, Annie give up her daughter to become a puppy show. No, it's an actress. Actress and actors. You see me? I say, her daughter go on TikTok. Actress and actors. And then a puppy show. And entertainers. You see me? I say, that's how it go. People, how to make me know what they think about all these dramas we are unfold on the internet. If or they take it as entertainment or the disgust of it.
Children now not learn now, they just live. And I said this several times. The same way Annie do I pity them. Watch and see if Rosealee and Fair would now come in the same exact way. Watch and see. Watch and see. I only do as a mother what I know how to do. Thank you very much. Watch and see, when your daughter speak to you a particular way and your daughter go primary school, she not even 10 good. 10 this and this. And you get so much leadway for coming and you don't even know where your little baby is. That's a baby. That is a baby. A 9-year-old in a Jamaica, may I tell you this? A 9-year-old in a Jamaica molested all of them something there. And the criminal is back and forth from his community to Seaview Gardens. And when I go sit down on the net and watch the careless mother, look how close it is to home. A 9-year-old. We're not supposed to hear the news, don't? We're not supposed to hear the news. Am I lying? And just the other day, and the individual is from Rosealee's community to their community. And Rosalie's daughter are coming at night, and you don't know where she's coming from. You don't know what event she went to. You don't know nothing at all. People are coming back. May I come? I'm coming back, people. The one you can't rest, just put that in the pipe and smoke it. And when we talk about careless mothers, the whole one jump up and talk. She never come and talk about that though, but she come talk say police are badger. May I come? May I come? And she come talk say police are badger door, don't? And never yet talk say that incident took place and the individual is flexible from our community to their community. Never talk that all on the horses are coming.
Miss Williams, darling. Why pray, darling? No, true. You know how long I go on with the gun and I'm looking for free cake.
How are you saying now, my dad?
No, true, me see other day like big wedding did I go on. So I say, oh, your dog not invite me, you know?
If wedding I go on, the whole TikTok I get invited. Don't worry yourself, bro. Remember, I all away are one family.
So your wife is there?
Everything is right. Where's the man?
How your wife is there?
Wife feel good, man.
Oh.
So, Olana, you come and just bow my wife, so what going on?
Then with me see big wedding I go on and love pie my singer. And mama say, I love this egg. Why you putting it that one? Yo, me love, still love, you know. Them just sitting there, make me feel like say, alright. You can't go on for you. Me see dog I see some buy rose and sitting there and say, me love them just sitting there in the dog. Them just sitting there make me believe say, yeah, me can find love too.
Alright.
More fire some egg and some franks to your girl and say, baby, why not love and time and another time and scallion? You know? You see me?
Watch out now.
Chat one road.
Good. Me and her good.
You say, no good?
Yeah, me and her good.
Oh, like mama they just miss a cocky and that, you know? Lord, the man and his wife. A bad man and a bad man should not have no wife. You know, a big woman them pussy tight, you know, man. Oh, God, man. That me, I beg you to throw money gun there. Dali Diva, you go stop it. You go stop it in a Dali Diva. 13.
You work, guys. Me win the match and I save the nuggets them, please.
Come chat, give you one money gun, man, chat. One money gun.
Save the nuggets them.
Magic Hennessy.
What drinking? I have no money and say I shot me living around in the bathroom.
Where you say dog? Where you say me dog? I shop you living in?
Come over here from morning to ask no come. I know the people who are coming to tell you. That's just.
No, where you know say me see them?
So we people, word from Blinga is that this youth and Annie back together. You know what I mean? So Blinga say, easy me. So we are going to hear from Blinga like a friend this. As we say people, we never spend too much time and review this certain way. You know what I mean? Because it's a quick one me I go now, so we could get back in there people.
Comment too much sitting but me I ignore it because me now, you know. You see them I say too much sitting say.
Listen, bro, listen, me I tell you before you ask me. Live in a one shop, don't have no bathroom, I have to buy one. Yeah, I'm a drive one car, like I'm still a walk. Yeah.
What kind of car that the dog?
Well, it name Honda still a walk.
Honda still a walk.
Honda still a walk.
Still a walk. Honda still a walk. Alright.
May I tell you before, you can't take it, tell me now.
Why, woman are wicked, you know. Because one woman will cock up in your old car, you know. In the Honda still a walk and never have no problem with it. But as soon as something happen, you hear how his seatbelt did a squeeze in throat. Who make woman transfer? Then the next thing me hear say, who dead? Me hear, Lord God.
I hear that too, but I try to bypass that one, the car. Me know that's enough for me. Enough for me that. Yeah, enough for me that.
So, you did that try to give me insurance money for you?
Chat, snipe.
Room no chat.
Snipe. Oh God, that is it.
I will have that glove there. Room in the name, then you come and see big gloves, my dog, Miss Williams, big up yourself.
Yeah.
So, I see you sitting.
You have to pinch. But I don't know about thank you so much, guys. May I look for jump out of the car. Yeah.
Watch out. My insurance will pay. I don't know if nobody can send more like a post kitten.
Yo, see next time, leave a lot of argument alone.
Come like sit go to fetch you, dog. Sit go to fetch you.
Yeah, what goes to what?
Member.
bro, man, there. So ask me, bro, why you want us for?
Well, I read, dog. But two months a question. Alright, let me read. They say tell him member Annie marriage. But Annie no want back police. So Annie and police left.
No, my girl from the road.
He said she have to pinch the nipple. Oh yeah, one of them I love a nipple pinching business.
Newspaper white down there. Newspaper white down, brother.
Nobody follow your comments. Stop follow your comments.
Ask him how he might take back Annie with Lando.
Yeah, focus by your score. You can't ask me no question. You can't ask me no question unless I have my score. Alicia, bad mama. 4-person wonders. 4-person wonders. Mafia, baby J. Chat one more person. Unruly kids, big up yourself. Yannick. Guys, double chat, double. Chat, double, chat, double. Double. Guys, use the double chat. Tony and Wagwan, chat, use the double. Nobody know the money gun. Nobody know no wheel. Nobody know the money gun. Nobody know no wheel. Guys, chat, use the double, please. Yannick, who that? Who do that? Chat, double, use the double chat. Don't make him win. Save the nuggets. We have 6 nuggets. Alicia, with the money gun, room. By the way, Alicia, chat, save the nuggets. We have 6 nuggets. Save them, please. Use the double. Yannick, thank you so much. All right, the dog. Chat, double. Double, chat, double. Oh, God, man. Chat, shoot. Shoot. Chat, shoot. Mafia. Chat, shoot. Please. Chat, shoot. I want her. Hi, police. Wagwan. Chat, shoot. Please don't make me lose the nuggets, guys. Please don't let me lose the nuggets. Please don't let me lose the nuggets. Guys, wala na. Me go run sir. Me a charter one car. Me a charter one car for the link. Go for woman. Go for it. I don't know, but I go for the meter. But how much I charge? Hold on. Talk to him. Yeah, he might go up in a lane. We can't move this.
Yeah, flat.
Some people, at least him live somewhere, you know what I mean? At least him live somewhere. Kind of people don't live nowhere at all, you know what I mean? So, boy, Annie no easy still with people. Annie should have come say them things about the G. Because man genuinely check for your car you got in your yard. You know, say you're not going to carry your enemy guy in your yard. And you're not going to trust your enemy. You see me? Only somebody who you love and say your friend, you have to trust with certain things. You see me? So, and he should have come hang out the man dirty laundry. Although that are not dirty laundry and a crime for live which part him live. You know what I mean? So, people, as we say, is a quick one. So, we have cut everything short now. So, we are going to get back in it.
Chat, snipe. Then me no say, me nah listen to nobody. Me a follow me. Me a follow me. And when you follow me, they a follow me. When you follow me, people are gonna talk. And if me not follow me, people still are gonna talk. But as me say, the driver said 25,000.
Me I look some support right there, sir.
Yesterday, few moments later.
Me did really ask him a remedy for how Annie breeding at 24 hour car. Me said me want a pitney this year. So I
Remember, that's easy. Have you tried to get one?
Boy, blinga. Pop me pop.
Listen, the people in my chat are saying they reconciled. Reconciled. They're back together.
TikTok police and Annie.
That's what the people are saying.
Tell us the man just the on the live I send chat I go for woman.
Come on, chat. Let's go. Oh, she's going back in the shop.
Why am I going like him go turn a bar tough or a shop tough?
Well, we the billionaires knew what would happen because they're doing all this for the views and the clout. It's so sad. It's not even funny.
Why it's sad? Because he must say the man the man come over your account saying under why chat why say under name? You don't want to tell a lie funny me chat but chat why say under name?
Chat one more. One more roses, chat. Everybody, one more roses.
Oh, he say under name still a walk.
One more roses, chat.
He not say under name still a walk. So sitting there go cock up in still a walk, you know.
Yeah. Come on, chat. Triple.
The next thing me hear say in there I know water for
Maybe the water is there now and there's gonna be a toilet for her to piss and shit now.
Why? You better get a cement bucket.
Come on, chat. Push up your score. Billionaires, I tell you, don't let nobody trick you guys or fool you guys.
Chat, anything for the double or triple?
No, Anna. I've never driven it. You guys have the wrong thing about me. Chat triple.
Triple chat, triple.
Chat, we need a lion or something today. It's Mother's Day. Let's go.
Voila, the two blood clot. Blinga. Police, they used to be a pussy blood clot, Torres clot. Blood clot.
What are you asking me?
That police, they a big time man one time, girl.
Oh no, he was not.
Two blood clot lie.
No, but you guys can.
You know, the police are showing that them big rubber lip there in your mouth.
Oh, never. Show me a picture of that.
You never did a kiss.
No, never tongue back.
Yeah. Well, me just go ask you how your mouth manage them the big mouth there. Me know say me mouth big enough.
Go back and look on everything.
Me know say me mouth big enough chat, but that the one they look like a blood clot imbalance. That's the one that look like a imbalance. They say Blinga lie, she kiss him. Him lie like sure. Lad, Blinga, are you good up man, Blinga? Can't man buy any rose. Me know say man buy a rose, yes.
Seriously, no. But people are gonna say what they want to say.
Alright. Listen, I want to move. Leave off.
I really wanted to help him. I was helping him in every way. Like, I wanted to get him out the ghetto. I gave him a platform. I gave him a spotlight, a highlight. I really wanted to help him, but he's not ready.
Why people let make you look like say any man is dead and then he only left and sitting? I just like say the rate one look you and you just try help him out and I want to
Yeah, but I think I went too far. But you know, people gonna put it their way and do and say the stuff. So I just leave them alone.
So why people them over here so mix up?
No, they're gonna do that because you have to remember. I even had him in my space, you know. So it looks that way. They're going to say whatever.
Then I squeeze in peace. Then I have none of them blue Bible here. Yeah, none of them.
Come on, chat. No, I'm going to Jamaica. I'll get to.
So yeah, tell me say at a big woman blinga, you know, have a Bible open up in another room, them side of your bed, you don't cup of water.
Oh no, I'm evil.
For you.
What does the water do?
The water take away duppy.
There's no duppy here.
Why? When TikTok police come here, they bring one bag of duppy.
Come on, chat. Everybody, we need 2 lions today. Chat, we need everybody to recharge. This is a triple. Let's go.
So bring a here see your name all tattoo on her neck.
Because he's... You have to understand and remember.
Me a man,
listen. Okay, yeah, but you listen. If you're gonna talk jokify or real, I'll talk to you real. But jokify, it makes no sense because these people in the comment section are the problem. Remember, when this guy tattooed my name on him, we didn't know anything about. I can't do this. I'm not doing this because I'm not into all of this. We had no idea he was tattooing anything. We were as much as shocked as you guys. So you guys they'll never understand anything. So I can't explain.
Blinga, which month you born?
It's not on his neck.
Which month you born, Blinga?
Exactly, English. Remember, anybody can remember. We didn't even know all of this was happening.
One little perfume, we can't catch one little perfume speed chat. One little perfume chat. One little perfume chat. Blinga, which month you born, Blinga?
April.
You born? Me did know.
Why?
Nothing.
Hey, we reasoning. I'm not lying. I did not know this man was tattooing my... listen, if you ever ask me something, I'm going to tell you.
All right.
You're going to lie, me can't help you.
I mean, I like when me and people are reason and them tell me say I lie, me I tell. Some of the reason.
Yeah, but I don't want to speak about that man because I'm not giving them any power. You asked me something and I'm telling you, we don't know. We didn't know. We were shocked when this happened. I know it's looking at you. Listen, we were really shocked for real. Anybody over there can tell you. We were shocked. We didn't know this man out there tattooing blinga anywhere. We can't tell this man how to feel.
Hey, me people, you know, say all me there, I may pick up for this youth here, and I say, Annie should do it, Annie do, Ray, should expose him. Me just remember say this a same blood clad boy I come expose blinga to post joke. Eh? People, me just realize say this a man, me just remember say this a man expose blinga. Rascal, you know, see, what goes around comes back around. You know what I mean? You play unfair game, you win unfair price. You play a stupid game, you win stupid prices. Right? Come, Ras, me even did remember say this a man at the Ras. People, we can watch some more.
Intimate video them. What do you like? I'll not tell the woman, when I'm not going to send me them.
Alright. Listen, that has nothing to do with me. Like I told you, I went too far. I admitted that. No. What's next?
So like, you got a bubble for the mask. I kiss up
Listen, I even went to his party and I didn't even know that people was recording me. You understand? Yeah. And they need to use their head. They need to use their head because look, if you hugging on somebody and they hugging back on you, from you, your back is turned to everybody. You don't know that people was recording you, but this was all him because he know what he was doing. Maybe he was trying to blackmail me because he knows that I'm married. So I mean,
over there did happy. Me like that. Ask her if you know some love. I love. I'm a love type of person.
Yeah, everybody power tap.
So blinga. You need to get a nice egg with love, fry with love.
There was this is two different things, my love. Two different things. Their thing that they're having now, they having their romantic, intimate thing, okay? it was two different things. Exactly. I don't talk about this because it's screen recordings and I can't bother.
It's a blinga. And what about Spotify so heck? With that little love and a little timing. Don't read that, me man.
You got on comedian. You're really... Look here, got on comedian, you know. Alright, Big, pick up yourself.
Alright, good to be steady black.
Alright. Him got on comedian, him funny.